Hello everyone, Sweet Scoots here, and we've got a little tip for you. Show you how to make your bulbs, your lenses, look spotless and brand new. And we're putting LEDs in those lenses. It should look pretty awesome. We'll give you a picture of it once we're all done putting it all back together. Everybody knows that you use rubbing alcohol, but there's some tricks and tips behind this. First thing we're going to use different than everybody else uses, we're going to actually use 99%. All the tools will be in the Show More, the video description. That is like right down here below the video while it's playing. It says Show More. All you do is take your lens. We put about a half ounce of the 99% in it. You've seen how cloudy it was. We just slosh that around a little bit. Then if you go to our main channel, Sweet Project Cars on YouTube, you'll find out how to make a super duper handy dandy telescooper air nozzle that's high powered. This blows almost 100 pounds of air, and you can vary it, of course, by how much you squeeze the handle. The second time, fill it up, put your hand over the hole, and tip it upside down and slosh it around like this so you can get the back of the reflector. A lot of times it takes 2 times to do it. Put your leaky air nozzle on again. Look at that. Looks brand new. This looks as good as that one. Now, here's the secret that we have that we're sharing with you as a detail shop that we haven't shared with anybody else. You take a little anti-fog and you do 1 squirt in each one. And you will not have to do this process again. And you just slosh it around in there. And when you blow it out, it'll really spread it out. So. After you've done your defogger, then you'll put your rubbing alcohol, your 99% in one more time, air it all out. And believe it or not, even with running the fogger in there and then using the alcohol afterwards, the 99%, as you'll hear us refer to it, the fogger works great. You won't be doing this again, put it that way. It is about 100 degrees here today in Michigan. Now what we'll do is set these out in the sun, and after they've completely dried, we'll do the 99% one more time, slosh it around, rinse it out, and they're done.